How to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. After that, let's see if we can add music after posting. So first I will post a picture. So simply share it. I have not added any music first. So as you can see, this is done posted. Now in order to add music, simply tap on this three dot. Now tap on edit. After that, go to add music. Now simply select your music. Select the tick option. Confirm the music and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.